Central idea of the poem.
In this poem the poet thinks deeply over the question of his lost childhood. Childhood is a stage of innocence in which the child believes others and loves unconditionally. The poet has tried to identify some stages of his life when his thoughts and perceptions of the world changed. The poem describes the first step to maturity or loss of childhood. Forming one's own opinion and not getting influenced by others is also a sign of maturity or loss of childhood. The poem also hints at the hypocrisy prevalent in our society, where people pretend to be nice to each other but in reality they do not like each other.
कविता का सार। इस कविता में कवि अपने खोए हुए बचपन के विषय पर गहराई से सोचता है। बचपन मासूमियत की वह अवस्था है जहां बच्चा दूसरों पर विश्वास और बिना किसी शर्त के उन्हें प्रेम करता है। कवि अपने जीवन की उन अवस्थाओं को स्पष्ट करने का प्रयास करता है जब संसार के प्रति उसके विचार और अनुभव बदल गए। कविता परिपक्वता या बचपन खोने की ओर प्रथम कदम की व्याख्या करती है। स्वयं के विचार रखना और दूसरों से प्रभावित नहीं होना भी परिपक्वता या बचपन खोने का संकेत है। कविता हमारे समाज में प्रचलित पाखंड दिखावा की ओर भी संकेत करती है, जहां लोग एक दूसरे के प्रति अच्छे होने का दिखावा करते हैं, लेकिन वास्तविकता में एक दूसरे को पसंद नहीं करते।
Stanza-wise explanation of the poem. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography, and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Childhood, written by Marcus Nat 10.
संदर्भ: प्रस्तुत पंक्तियां मार्कस नाटेन द्वारा लिखित कविता चाइल्डहुड से ली गई हैं।
Context: in the given lines, the poet is thinking deeply about his lost childhood. He tries to find the stages when the perceptions of the world changed and he grew up.
प्रसंग: प्रस्तुत पंक्तियों में कवि गहनता से अपने खोए हुए बचपन के विषय में सोच रहा है। वह उस चरण अवस्था को खोजने की कोशिश करता है जब संसार का यह दृष्टिकोण बदला और वह बड़ा हुआ।
Explanation: the poet wonders when he lost his childhood. He reflects that perhaps it was the day when he crossed the age of 11. Maybe it was the stage when he realized that the concepts of hell and heaven, about which he had been taught since his childhood, did not exist in reality. Geography textbooks did not give the location of any such places. The poet realizes that he might have lost his childhood when he gained his rational outlook due to getting educated.
व्याख्या: कवि आश्चर्यचकित है कि उसका बचपन कब लुप्त हो गया। कवि विचार करता है कि शायद यह वह दिन था जब वह 11 वर्ष का हो गया था। शायद यह वह अवस्था थी जब उसने अनुभव किया कि नरक और स्वर्ग, जिनके बारे में उसे बचपन से सिखाया गया था, वास्तविकता में अस्तित्व में ही नहीं थे। भूगोल की किताब में ऐसे किसी भी स्थान की स्थिति नहीं दर्शाई गई थी। कवि अनुभव करता है कि उसने शायद अपना बचपन तब खो दिया था जब उसने शिक्षित होने के कारण तार्किक दृष्टिकोण प्राप्त कर लिया था।
When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Childhood, written by Marcus Nat 10. Context: the poet is wondering about his lost childhood. he feels that maybe he lost his childhood when he turned 11 or when he started thinking rationally as he got his education.
प्रसंग प्रस्तुत पंक्तियों में कवि अपने खोए हुए बचपन के विषय में चकित है। कवि विचार करता है कि शायद उसने अपना बचपन तब खोया जब वह 11 वर्ष का हो गया था, या फिर जब उसने शिक्षित होने के कारण तार्किक दृष्टिकोण प्राप्त कर लिया था।
Explanation. In this stanza, the poet reflects that maybe the loss of childhood occurred when he was able to see through the hypocrisy of adults. These people followed double standards, actually following and preaching different standards of behavior. They told the poet to be loving and caring, however they themselves were argumentative, violent and discourteous. Their behavior was a far cry from the love they sermonized about and advocated so reverently to the child. Perhaps, says the poet, recognizing broken trust was a major step towards adulthood.
व्याख्या। इस अंश में कवि यह विचार करता है कि उसका बचपन तक खो गया जब वह लोगों के छलकपट को देखने योग्य हुआ। ये लोग दोहरे मापदंड का अनुसरण करते हैं, इनका वास्तविक अनुसरण और ज्ञान देने का मापदंड अलग अलग है। वे कवि को दूसरों के प्रति प्रेम और परवाह करने के लिए कहते हैं, जबकि वे स्वयं झगड़ालू, हिंसक और असभ्य हैं। उनके द्वारा बच्चे को प्रेम के प्रति दिए गए उपदेशों और सम्मान पूर्वक किए गए समर्थन से उनका व्यवहार एकदम अलग था। कवि कहता है, शायद टूटे हुए विश्वास की अनुभूति वयस्कता की ओर बढ़ने वाला महत्वपूर्ण कदम था।
Multiple choice questions. 1. What did the poet realize about adults? A. That they are mature. B. They have to earn money. C. They are not what they seem to be. D. They are cunning. A and S. C. They are not what they seem to be. 2. What did the poet realize about his mind when he lost his childhood? A. That he can use it in whichever way he wants. B. That he is done. C. That he cannot use it in whichever way he wants. D. That he is very intelligent. A and S. A. That he can use it in whichever way he wants. 3. The adults talked of love and preached of love, but did not act. A. Angrily. B. Lovingly. C. Sadly. D. Happily. A and S. B. Lovingly. 4. Where is the childhood hidden? A. In an infant's face. B. In an adult's face. C. In an animal's face. D. In an enemy's face. A and S. A. In an infant's face. 5. What did the poet find out about hell and heaven? A. They could be found in geography books. B. They were imaginary places. C. They were in America. D. They were in India. A and S. B. They were imaginary places. 6. What did the poet conclude about his lost childhood at the end of the poem? A. It went to another dimension. B. It went to some forgotten place. C. It never existed. D. It went to his younger sibling. A and S. B. It went to some forgotten place. 7. After what age did the poet realize that he had lost his childhood? A. 12. B. 11. C. 10. D. 13. A and S. B. 11. 8. According to the poet, adults are A. Hypocrites. B. Smart. C. Lovable. A and S. A. Hypocrites. Stanza for comprehension.
परीक्षा में पाठ्य पुस्तक से किसी भी पोएट्री के पाठों में से किसी भी पोअम का एक अंश स्टैंजा दिया जाता है तथा उस पर आधारित 3 प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने होते हैं। प्रत्येक के लिए 2 अंक निर्धारित किए गए हैं।
Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Questions. I named the poem and the poet. 2. At what age does the poet think he lost his childhood? 3. What did the poet realize? Did the poet find an answer to his question? Answers. I. Poem. Childhood. Poet Marcus Nat 10. 2. The poet thinks he lost his childhood after he crossed the age of 11. 3. The poet realized that hell and heaven are not any geographical places. Hence, they could not be real. No, the poet didn't find an answer to his question. He was still confused about the time when he lost his childhood. 2. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Questions. I. Who is my in the above lines? Why is he confused? 2. When did the poet think he lost his childhood? 3. Explain but did not act so lovingly. Answers. 1. My refers to the poet Marcus Nat 10. The poet is confused because he doesn't seem to understand the time when he lost his childhood. 2. The poet thinks that when he realized that the adults were hypocrites is when he lost his childhood. They talked of love but didn't follow what they preached. 3. The poet thinks that adults are hypocrites. They talk about love and preach about love but their actions are not so loving. When did my childhood go?
ऑन कर दे।
Was it when I found my mind was really mine? To use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own, and mine alone.
पूरे दिन ऐसे चलता रहता है जल्दी से चला लो तो मेरा दोस्त तो गया अभी
His mind was his to control and command and was not influenced by others. 2. The poet realized that his mind was his to control and no one could direct him except himself. His thoughts need not be governed by others and he could take his own decisions. 3. No, the poet didn't find an answer to his question. He is considering the possibilities and laments the loss of his childhood. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. Questions. I. Where did the poet's childhood go? 2. Where does the poet think that his childhood is hidden? 3. Does the poet enjoy being an adult? Answers. I. The poet's childhood went to some forgotten or unknown place. 2. The poet thinks that his childhood is hidden in an infant's face, as infants are innocent. 3. The tone of the poet is quite critical. He perceives adulthood as a stage where one loses innocence and becomes manipulative. He doesn't enjoy being an adult. He laments the loss of his childhood.
वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।